Welcome back to the season 2 of Girls Aloud podcast show. This particular episode is introductory.
My name is Sandra Pearson. I'm a model and also a businesswoman.
I'm Aram GH, an entrepreneur. I deal in import and export.
I'm Erica MFI. I'm a travel curator and the founder of Travel Hub.
I'm Olivia Mponsa. Everyone knows me as Olive. I run a mid and plus size outlet located in Nanakrum.
I don't think I know you. Okay. I don't know you, but I've seen Ariam when she had a problem with Asantua. What happened?
Okay, so with that, there's nothing to say about. She's living her life. I'm also doing well. Everybody's in their own lane.
She got a baby.
Yes.
Boy or girl?
Boy. That sounds single.
Hey.
It's true. We are not together.
I do have a boyfriend. He's called Jacob.
How long have you guys been together?
This year is going to be 4 years.
So do you think you guys are gonna get married?
I'm not ready to get married. I feel like I will get married when I want to get married.
This season, we are definitely bringing an upgrade to the other season. We are going to be having so much fun. So many interesting things are going to be happening on here. I don't think anyone would want to miss an episode for anything. Okay, yes. Stay glued to us this season, and we're bringing nothing but the best. So 1, 2, 3. I'm about to pop up with the